All right, so another round of some quick tips from myself, Christina Hawkins, from CEO and founder of Global Specs. So what is a good monthly budget to set aside for social media ads? Now, granted, I'm kind of assuming you're doing Facebook and Instagram, which are the more popular ones. LinkedIn is available as well. LinkedIn is pretty pricey, just so you know, only because you can get super targeted and the quality of those leads are pretty good. Now, on the flip side, it's expensive and it's not, I've just not seen the level of conversions that I can see on possibly paid ads or Facebook ads. But again, Facebook ads even too has gotten pretty tough with the recent changes. So, but also, the answer to that is, in terms of what is a good monthly budget, is it depends. It depends. Totally depends on, do you plan on using ads as a conversion tool? Do you plan on using ads as just a branding tool to get eyeballs on your messages? How many impressions are you looking to get? Is this local? Is this nationwide? Is this international? Don't forget hidden costs of a social media campaign. People think it's only the amount of money that I want to spend within that platform, let's say Facebook, but social media, that you have to think about the time associated and the cost associated of preparing those ads. Are you going to hire a photographer? Are you going to have a graphic designer? Are you going to use your iPhone? Or are you going to do some more heavy stuff using a Sony camera? How will you create the graphics? Do you have the messaging right? So it's not just how much you're willing to spend on Facebook, but there is an organizing cost and a time cost associated with creating ads. Now, for a boosting post, we recommend possibly about $5 per post, $10 a post. Depends on how wide you want to go. You could go 20 to 50, and how long. And again, another one is, how long do you want this post to go? Now, when it comes to spending on Facebook ads and Instagram ads, you probably don't want to go below, $250, $500 a month, maybe lowest. That's the lowest. I would say about 5 years ago, I was telling my clients, hey, if you want to do ads on Facebook, now's the time. Because they were just ramping it up. It was super cheap. That's not the case anymore, especially since the recent changes in Facebook and how iPhone users are no longer being tracked. So there's a heavy cost associated with that. We've seen a decline in how people are responding to ads, as well as advertising agencies using Facebook. So I'll be honest with you, it's one of those things I have to look further into. It's a new Wild West at this point on how we're going to use Facebook ads. So again, good monthly budget to set aside. It depends on your goals. So just ask yourself, where would you rather spend your money on a campaign, a Facebook ad, PPC ads, email marketing? You have other things to consider, as well as the costs associated with ramping these all up. All right, thanks guys. Till next time, it's Christina Hawkins. Bye.